السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أبنائنا الطلاب، وأهلا بكم في درس جديد من دروس your English course Flying High 2. Today inshallah we will start Unit 7, you Lesson 1. Definitely we will study some exercises from page 58 and 59. So let's start. In this exercise, you listen to a student talking to his brother about his being away from home. And in his conversation with his brother, he mentions some points. These points are from the list. What we are required to do now is to listen carefully and to identify what points did he mention in his conversation. Okay? Maybe 4, 3, 5, and so on. So please listen and tick the ones you hear.
Unit 7, Lesson 1.
Hi, Alex.
How are you doing?
Great. Classes have started. I've signed up for a couple of extra courses, Arabic and photography.
Gee, it sounds interesting. I can't wait to get out of high school. College sounds more interesting.
And I found a great place to live. You know how I used to live in the dorm? It was fun in the dorm at first, but it was a bit like being back at school with all the rules. So, I decided to leave, and now I'm sharing a rented apartment with 2 other guys.
Wow! Can you do that?
Sure, no problem.
What did Mom and Dad say?
Oh, they're happy. Mom kept going on. Am I looking after myself? Am I eating properly? You know how she worries. But I told her that everything's fine, and I'll come home on weekends for some of her home cooking.
What's it like living in your own apartment?
Fantastic. I get on really well with the other 2 guys. You and Mom and Dad must come over and visit sometime.
That'd be great.
Sorry, Alex. I have to rush to class. I'll email you in the week, okay?
Okay, Jack. Bye.
If we look at this list, we'll find that the words that are mentioned are classes, apartment, dorm, and email. Okay? Now and before we start the next exercise, we have to revise and learn some new words. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a building, and this building is composed of, yes, apartment. So this is a building, and these are apartments. This is one apartment, another apartment, and so on. So this is apartment. Again, apartment. Okay, the next word. What can you see in this picture? Yes, actually you see some buildings, you see some facilities out there in this place. So this place can be called, yes, housing complex. So housing complex is a place where lots of houses, buildings, and some other facilities are there. The next one. Yes. Okay, what can we see? This is university. As you can see, some students, and these are some building, maybe some colleges, and also you can see places where the students can live in. So this is what? This is university campus. The next word. This is one point, and this is another. What's between these points? Yes, what is this? Okay, this is distance. Distance. Again, distance. Distance is what is between 2 points. It's 1 hour 52 minutes distance. The next word. What is this? Yes, this is an apartment. Yes, this is an apartment. But is it empty or it has furniture in it? No, it's empty. فاضية. But now there are some beds. It's a sofa, fridge, and so on. So it becomes furnished. Again, furnished. So it's furnished. مؤثثة فيها أثاث. Okay. The next one. What is this? Yes, it's air conditioning. Air conditioning. Air conditioning. The last word, this is a piece of paper, and there is a place you have to sign. These are some list of conditions, list of items you have to sign. دي بقى اللي هو بنسميه العقد اللي هو contract. Contract. Again, apartment, housing complex, university campus, distance, furnished, air conditioning, contract. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now to the next exercise. It's on page 59, exercise 3. And as you can see here, we have a speaking and reading exercise. But we will just focus on the reading part of this exercise. As you can see, exercise 3B has a list of questions. And we have to read this text. And after reading this text, we can answer these questions. So, read the questions carefully, read the text carefully, and try to underline or take out the answer from this text. Now you've got 10 minutes. You can pause the video for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, I'll come back. Let's answer the questions now. Question number 1. Are the apartments on near some distance from the campus? In this question is asking me about the distance. As we said, the distance between the apartments and the campus. المسافة اللي بينهم. And if we look at the text, we'll find that it's, yes, each only minutes walking distance. The next one. Do I have to buy any furniture? اضطر ان انا اشتري اثاث. Apartments are fully furnished. مؤثثة بالكامل. So you don't have to. The answer is no. You don't have to. Number 3. I have a family. Am I able to rent a 3-bedroom apartment or a house? Okay. If we look at this line, we'll find 1, 2, and 3 bedroom options. So you can, the answer for this exercise is yes. What kind of internet facilities are there? What kind of internet facilities are there? He's asking me about the internet facilities. If we go through the text, we'll find that where is internet? Yes. Integrated internet and telephone facilities. What kind of air conditioning is there? The air conditioning, yes, is regulated through smart technology that uses information about the building and the environment. This is the answer. The last one. What is the shortest period I can rent? The shortest period. مدة الإيجار بقى. مدة الإيجار. What is the shortest period? Again to the website. Yes. Student contracts run for an entire academic year. العقد اهو. العقد بتاع اللي هو العقد. Yes. For an entire academic year. يبقى عام دراسي كامل. So these are the answers for questions from 1 to 6. وبكده نكون أنهينا جزئين مهمين في الدرس الأول. الجزء الخاص بالlistening استمعنا ليه وحلينا، والجزء الثاني اللي هو reading, and also we know how to answer the questions. Thank you very much for your watching, and I hope you the best of luck. شكرا. وأتمنى لكم التوفيق إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.